The ocean has a king, and it's not the great white. Meet the Megalodon. A shark so big it could eat a T-Rex for lunch. Build analysis. Maximum bite force. The ultimate killing machine. The apex of apex predators. But even giants fall. Your survival rate to adulthood, only 20%. Let's dive in. Level 1. The Nursery. You are born 2 meters long, bigger than a human, but still a baby here. You need food constantly. You are a growing engine that burns fuel fast. Danger number 1. Other sharks. In the ocean, if it fits in a mouth, it's food. Agility check. Use the environment. Hide. Survive the early game grind. Level 2. The open ocean. You are bigger now. 10 meters long. Time to hunt real food. Your target? Whales. Slow, fat, and full of energy. Hunting strategy? The attack from below. Use the dark depths as camouflage. Critical hit. The ramming speed attack stuns the prey. Bite force, 40,000 psi. Ribs shatter like glass. Dinner is served. You are the king. The great whites are just beggars at your table.
Level 3. The adult. 18 meters of pure nightmare fuel. Nothing hunts you. Almost nothing. Danger number 2. The smart gang. Meet the ancestors of killer whales. They can't beat your power, so they attack your stamina. Death by 1,000 cuts. Your weakness is revealed. Low agility against teamwork. Game mechanic exploit. Tonic immobility. Flipped upside down, you are paralyzed. The king is dethroned by the smartest plays in the server. But orcas weren't the only problem. The server settings changed. The Ice Age began. Your food moved to the cold poles, but you are cold-blooded. You cannot follow them. You are trapped in warm water. Starvation mode active. Meanwhile, smaller, faster sharks like great whites ate all the remaining food. And so, the monster of the Miocene faded away. Extinction date, 3.6 million years ago.
Are they still alive in the Mariana Trench? Short answer? No. There is no food down there for a giant.
But wait, the title promised a fight. What if a T-Rex fell into the Megalodon's ocean?
Megalodon is 50 tons. T-Rex is 9 tons. It's not a fight, it's a snack. One bite, game over. The T-Rex becomes lunch. This represents the largest bite force ever known on Earth. Final score, 20% survival rate. But for 20 million years, you were the undisputed king. Next episode, do you want hard mode, sea turtle, or smart mode, orca? Vote now. Subscribe for more videos.